guys, I'm Basiri and welcome to my YouTube channel, Not for the Faint Crafted. I hope you're all well and staying safe. So today's video is a bit of an unusual one, and I'm going to show you how to make this DIY wedding invitation box. And the reason why I say it's unusual is because I actually made this 2 years ago for my brother's wedding, and I just never got the chance to kind of post it, and I thought it'd be a waste not to. So I want to share this with you all today. And I guess for those who are planning to get married, probably the likelihood is you've had to postpone your wedding due to the whole coronavirus situation. So hopefully you've got a bit more free time on your hands where you can get involved in more DIY projects for your wedding. It's a great way to kind of add a bit of a personal touch to your special day. And hopefully this DIY video has inspired you, and you don't need to be Asian to go as glitzy as this. Feel free to be as creative and as adventurous as you want. The only reason why I kind of did an Asian vibe to this is because my brother had a Hindu wedding, so I wanted to kind of create an invitation box that went in theme of that wedding. And the best part about it is you can unpick the pieces later and keep that bottom layer box at the end and use it as a keepsake memory box and keep all your wedding memories in there as well. That's what my brother's doing right now anyway. But yeah, I hope you do like this video and it has inspired you, and if it has, please do share the love by giving this video a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more how-to videos from me, then all you need to do is just click that subscribe button on the very bottom, as well as that notification bell. Other than that, I'll head straight to the DIY and I'll see you at the very end. So for this project I used quite a few things, and I ended up changing my mind and adding new bits and bobs. So what I've done is I've left the details of what I've actually used for this project in the description box below. Firstly, taking the lid of my cardboard box and using a ruler and pencil, I stenciled a 1 centimeter strip, which will later on act as the envelope flap. And I've just shaded the area that I'll cut out. And using a craft knife, I carefully cut out the shaded strip. However, this is really tricky because of the thickness of the box, so what I did was just take my time and just pierce through it as much as I could. And the lid of your box should look something like this. Next, take some kitchen tissue roll and cut these into small to medium sized strips. And using some PVA glue, water and a paintbrush, you want to start gluing these strips onto the lid of your box. I also had red tissue paper, which I also cut out into similar strips. Completely forgot to press the record button. But yeah, once the lid of the box is dried with the normal kitchen tissue roll, you want to start PVA gluing the red tissue paper as well onto the box. And you want to do a few layers of this so the lid ends up looking like this. Similar to the lid of the box, you want to also PVA glue the kitchen tissue roll onto the base of the box, so it should look something like this. And to make the box look a little bit quirky, I also, again with the kitchen tissue roll, cut out some heart shapes of different sizes, because once you PVA glue that onto the box, it gives it a unique look and you can see the hearts kind of pop through. And next, using some pearl white acrylic paint and a paintbrush, I started painting this all around the base of the box. And once that was dry, it ended up looking like this. And taking the saree border and some all-purpose glue, I glued this all around the rim of my lid. And what I found it actually easier gluing this on when the lid was attached to the bottom bit of the box. And taking some gold enamel leaf paint, I then painted with a thin paintbrush just a rim around the envelope flap, just so it makes it pop out a bit. Felt something was missing from this craft, so I actually found a smaller box, so repeated the same process as I did before, but used some blue tissue paper to go with the pom-poms. And when you stack the two boxes together, it should look something like this. And to make the box look a bit blingy, I got some embellishments that I bought from an Indian shop and started gluing this with a hot glue gun onto the box itself. The elephant ornament was a bit plain, so again, similar to the embellishments, I started gluing on more saree embellishments to the side of the elephant's ears, and also one on the actual head of the elephant, just to give it that Indian look. And finally, again using some of that gold leaf paint, I then painted the elephant's toes just to make it pop out a bit. And yeah, there you have it. Once all parts are done and you stack them on top of each other, your Indian wedding box should look something like this. Hey guys, so I hope you liked that DIY wedding box. If you did, please do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more of my how-to videos, then don't forget to click that subscribe button. So this is my only DIY wedding video that I've posted so far, and I don't have any recent plans to post any more wedding DIYs, but if there is anything you would like me to recreate, then just let me know in the comment section below, and I can try and get back to you with ideas and see if I can actually add in more wedding DIY videos for you if the demand's there. But yeah, I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you next week. Take care. Bye.